it's Dana.
And Mike.
And we're gonna show you what we're doing with our John Lewis Home Pantry. And if you saw my first video, you know that we're working in collaboration with John Lewis Home, and I am redoing a pantry, and our products are gifted. And what we are doing is taking out the wire shelves, and I'm putting in a wood kit shelf. These are solid wood shelves, and they look so much better. We are going to take you along on the journey. So I already showed you how we ripped it apart and the painting part, and that's where I stop, and then that's where Mike kicks in. And so today he's going to take you on the journey of the installation, which is really easy.
Okay, let's start off with what you get when you get your shelving. This, for our pantry, we have 16-inch shelves, and these are one size, but then you cut them to fit with whatever your size is. We have a 39-inch approximate inside pantry area. They sent a 48-inch, and they're very easy to cut. As you can see, we already installed one, and we'll show you that part of that afterwards, but they're very easy to cut, so it's nice. So with that, you get all the hardware. As hardware, you get the arches. These arches have two uses. One, you can mount them from the side to strengthen the middle if you need to, and they actually would go from here to here as a holder. Or if you don't have end walls, these can be mounted on the ends of both shelves as a support going down on both sides, because your mounting brackets are your back and your sides. You get everything you need to mount this. Screws, drywall attachments, obviously if you have a stud, the screw will just go right in. If you don't, you have the drywall holders. All the hardware to hang it. These are the sidewall mounts. These are for the front. You get the back wall mounts, and these are all set for the back. Grab from the back of the shelving, and like I said, you get all the hardware, even a touch-up marker for everything you need.
Hey Mike, how does John Lewis Home make installation easy for even the most inexperienced DIYer?
You get this handy dandy little aid to install. What this is a marking used for marking for the sidewall mount. So basically, once you have your back level line, it tells you this would be for the left side of the closet. You basically put this mark on your center line, level it, it has a leveling bob in it, and then ours is a 16-inch shelf, so we would mark these holes for our shelf. If you had a 12-inch shelf, you would mark these holes. This will give you exact location to mount your side mount.
Oh, that's so cool. Yes, I'm the one that doesn't do the installations. We can tell.
So it is pretty nice, actually. It makes it so easy. Like I said, we've already did one, and I flew right through that.
All right, let me ask you another question. How do you ensure that all the shelf mounting hardware are all level for each individual shelf?
Okay, guys, we're gonna take you through some of the steps just to show you how easy this is. What we did was I measured where we want the top of the shelf to be. This is going to be where the top of the shelf is going to be. We laid them on. Basically, we're following our old system. We opened it up a little bit. We knew we needed a little bit more room for some things, so we opened it up a little bit. We have the space to the top. So what they do, like I said, these are the back wall mounts. They give you 4 of these. This is a small closet, but I'm still going to use 4 because we put some heavy stuff on here. But I want to make sure that the mounts to the wall don't fail. So I'm going to put all 4 in. So basically what I did was I grabbed the 2 ends and then I spaced the other 2 out in the middle. All you do then is start with the first hole, or any one you want. Place it right in the center. That's your starting mark there. And then mark your bottom one. We found out by mounting this one that I do not have any studs. I actually have 1 stud right here. So that's the only place I can actually put the screw right in. Otherwise, I have to put all the drywall holders in. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark all these 4 out, drill them, put the drywall markings in, and then I'm gonna show you how we catch the side with that nifty little tool they give you. put all those in. Now, let's show you how we want to mark the sides. Again, like I said, left side for closet, left side closet wall, right side closet wall. So this being the left side closet wall, you line this dotted line up right with your shelf marking line. Set it perfectly level. We're going with the 16. Mark a 16. Gives you the exact position. Like I said, we do know we have a stud over here. Then I switch to the other side. This would be the right side. Line the lines up exactly. Make it perfectly level. And mark the 16. I'm just doing that just in case you're wondering. Sometimes these things are hard to hold and drill exact at the same time. So I do a little pilot hole so that I know I'm going in the right spot. Oh, that one's done. Like I said, it's the only one that has a stud, unfortunately. Would be nice if there were more, but that's all we got. So here again, we'll do a pilot hole. Because as everyone knows, these drywall anchors are nice, but to get them going, sometimes they have a mind of their own and go wherever they want. We are going to cut this shelf now. We did an average in there. Everybody knows the walls are perfect. It was a little bigger in front than it was in back, but I'm going to do an average, an overall measurement, and shoot from there. We came up with 39 1/8 for that. So we're going to make sure we square this off. Mark it.
Hey Mike, are there any specific or special tools you use to cut the shelves length to fit into the pantry?
Everybody knows who cuts wood like this, you want a fine blade on your saw. The thing about this saw is it doesn't cut all the way through. That's why, as you see, I have the hacksaw here. It misses a little bit, so I just have to cut that last little bit off with that. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these. Now let's go see if it fits. Okay, as you can see, we're putting it down into the brackets. That's a very snug fit, which is what we want. So I'm just tapping these into place. Everything, see how perfect it laid the side out? To finish it off, they give you these 3/4 inch screws, and you will take them in from the bottom and boom, that's it.